here's the deal. We'll play one more song. And thank you for that. But the deal is that you have to sing the entire song with us. So we're going to play something that you obviously know. The song's a little slow, so you're going to have to bring the energy for it. All right? But I think it says something important about all of us crazy strangers and creeps. Been here before, couldn't look you in the eye. I can't hear you. You're just like an angel. There we go.
Let's get the wave going, ready? As lame as this is.
It makes me cry.
Oh, this is sick. You guys are hot.
Float like a feather in a beautiful world.
I can't believe it worked.
So fucking special. This goes out to Howie from Machine House because he's fucking special. Wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. Nice, you guys sound great. I want you to notice. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want, you're so fucking special.
Not loud enough.
Wish I was special.
Fuck yeah. There, let's go.
But I'm a creep. It's not nearly as fun. It's not nearly as fun to end it slow like that.
Get this place moving.
Yeah.
What the hell is this? Move.
Yeah.
Everybody, we're having fun tonight. Let's go.
Because that shit ends way
Christ.
too slow. I don't need that. Yeah, get the fuck out there. All right, you got that out there? You're good? All right. So, you guys ready? 1, 2, but I'm a creep. We're Craving Strange, and we're going right over there. So come say hi and come hang out, and thank you so much for being here.